Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the environment and capturing a baseline. Close windows, turn off fans, and move soft materials near the mic. This reduces reverberation and steady hum. Once done, select a cardioid pattern and position the mic about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. This improves signal versus noise. Then record a 10 to 15 second test clip at your intended level. You'll use that to analyze the noise profile and guide the next steps. You now process the clip to remove background noise methodically. First, select a silent segment to capture the noise profile. This tells the tool what to subtract. Next, apply spectral noise reduction with a moderate threshold and reduction amount. Too aggressive makes artifacts, too light leaves noise. After that, insert a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to cut low-frequency rumble. Make small adjustments, then preview. This balances clarity and naturalness before finalizing. You finish by refining tone and checking results. Add a gentle de-esser to tame sibilance, then apply light compression for consistent level. This improves intelligibility. Once done, compare the before clip versus the cleaned version to confirm you removed noise without introducing artifacts. If you hear pumping or warbling, reduce the noise reduction amount, lower attack on compressors, or try a different algorithm. Reducing the subtraction often fixes artifacts. Finally, re-record if the source noise is too high to clean.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.